Hello and welcome, students. I am your maths teacher, Anshika, and I am going to teach you today in this lesson the chapter Addition of Numbers. So, we are going to learn addition. What is addition? We are going to learn this in this chapter. Let's see what are we going to learn from this chapter today. So, after this lesson, students, you will be able to add single digit numbers using fingers and dots. You will be able to add the numbers using real life objects and pictures, and also you will learn to do addition in two different ways, horizontally and vertically. So, let's see what is addition. So, what is addition, students? Addition is simply putting things together, combining things together. Let's take an example. If Ram has Ram has three balloons. Can you see? One, two, and three balloons. If he wants to buy one more balloon, then how many balloons will he have altogether? What we will do, students? We will simply put three balloons and one balloon together. Can you see this? If you take out three fingers in one hand and one finger in one hand and put them together, how many fingers together? One, two, three, four. So, how many balloons will Ram have? Four. Can you see? One, two, three, and four. So, Ram has four balloons all together. So, this is how we do addition. What we do in addition? We simply put things together. Let's see further. What is the sign of addition? So, this is the sign of addition, students, when we cross a slanting and a horizontal and a vertical line. And this is known as the addition sign or the plus sign. So as Ram had three balloons, and if we add one more balloon to three balloons, how many balloons are we getting? Four balloons. Yes, four balloons. I hope this is clear. Students, what is addition? Putting things together, combining things together. Now let's see how we do it using the finger method, using our fingers. Okay, so can you see, students, how many finger is this? One. Yes. If you take out one finger in one hand, if you take out three fingers in the other hand and put them together, what are we doing? We are adding. How many fingers we have all together? One, two, three, four. Four is going to be our answer, right? So let's see. This is one finger, this is three fingers, and we are going to get four fingers, right? And if we take out two fingers in one hand, and if we take out four fingers in the other hand, let's put them together and count. One, two, three, four, five, and six. How many fingers together? Six fingers together. So these are two fingers and these are four fingers. And how many fingers are we getting all together? We are getting six fingers all together. Can you see? One, two, three, four, five, and six. We are having six fingers all together. So this is how we do addition using our fingers. Interesting, students? Let's see forward and see how do we do addition using real objects and pictures. How do we get to know that what we add using the pictures? Okay, so wow, these are so lovely flowers, beautiful, beautiful flowers. So how many flowers are there in this box? Let's see. One, and 2. So we have two flowers in this box. How many flowers we have in this box? One, right? So how many flowers will we have in this box, students? Can you tell? Yes, we will simply put two flowers and one flowers together. Let's see. Let's count them together. One, two, and three. So how many flowers must be there in this box? Three flowers, right? One, two, and three. So when we put two flowers and one flower together, we get three flowers. So how do we say this, students? Two flowers and one flower all together make three flowers. This is how we read addition. This is how we speak addition. That if we combine two flowers and if we combine one flower, they all together make three flowers. Okay, let's do another example. Can you do it, students? Let's count. Oh, what are these? Ants. Yes. How many ants can you see in this? One, two, and three. These are three ants. How many ants are there in this box? 1, 2, and 3. 3 ants. So students, how many ants will come in this box? Oh, if we put 3 ants and 3 ants together, can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so there must be how many ants in this box? 6 ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So our answer is 6. How we say this? 3 ants and 3 ants all together make 6 ants, right? Now see this example. Apple, red apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples are there in this box? 5 apples. How many apples are there in this box, students? Oh, there are no apples. It means there are 0 apples. No apples means 0 apples. So this is 0. So how many apples will come in this box now? Okay, so if I am not adding anything to 5, anything to the apples, we will get the same number of apples. If I have 5 fingers, if I'm not adding any other finger to it, it says 0. So how many fingers I am having? 5 fingers only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, in the same way, if I'm not adding anything to the 5 apples, any apple further to the 5 apples, how many apples will I get? 5 apples. Right. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm getting 5 apples. So, what do we learn from this, students? We learn that if we add anything to 0, we will always get the number itself. It can be 100 also, it can be 50 also. Whatever we add to 0, we will always get the number itself. 50 plus 0 is also 50. 100 plus 0 is also 100. Okay, so what do we learn? That adding any number to 0 gives the number itself. So this is what we learn, which is very important. We need to keep this in mind that whatever we add to 0, whichever number we add to 0, we always get the number itself. I hope this is clear, students. Let's move further. So now we are going to learn there are two ways of addition. As I told you, one is vertical addition and one is horizontal addition. Let's see. Okay, so we have 4 plus 1. Let's calculate what it will be. 4 and 1. Put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the same way also 4 here and plus 1 here will give us 5. But what is the difference between these two? Nothing. Just the way they are written. In this, we have written from left to right, right? In a row horizontally. So this is known as the horizontal addition, right? And in this way, we have written it from top to bottom in a line, in a straight line, in a vertical addition. This is known as a vertical addition. So these are two types of addition, students, horizontal addition and vertical addition, right? So, and what do we learn from this? That whether we do the horizontal or the vertical addition of the same numbers, they always give the same result. You can see if we have added 4 plus 5 horizontally or 4 plus 5 vertically, we have got the same answer, that is 5. We have added 4 plus 1 horizontally and 4 plus 1 vertically, but we have got the same answer, that is 5. Okay, so we'll get the same result. I hope this is clear, students. Now let's learn dot method. So what is dot method? We use dots to add, like we have been using our fingers. In the same way, we make dots and we add them. We put them together. Let's see. Our first question is 3 plus 4 is equals to what? So we will do this using dot method. What we will do, students? Let's simply make 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3. And let's make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we will do, we will just combine them, count them together. Okay. So what we will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what is going to be our answer, students? 7. Right? So our answer is going to be 7. Now the next question is 6 plus 0 is equals to what? So we have to add 6 and 0. So let's make 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 0 means no dots. No dots. There are 0 dots. So how many dots are we going to get here? 6 only. As I told you, adding 0 to any number gives the number itself. So we are getting 6 only. I hope this is clear. This is how we use the dots to calculate the addition. Okay. Let's do a exercise on it. How do we find out that which two numbers add up to a given number? Oh my God. So now, till now, we have been adding two numbers and taking out the result of it. But now we are giving the result and we need to find two numbers that add up to this result. How we will do this? Very easy, students. Nothing is tough. Let's see. Let's first make 5 dots. Okay, so we made 5 dots and then we make a line anywhere we want between the dots. Okay, we make the line anywhere we want between the dots. Then we write the number of dots that are on the left side of the line in the left box and the number of dots that are on the right side of the line in the right box. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Can we verify this? Using our fingers. If I take out 2 fingers in one hand and 3 fingers in the other hand and put them together. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are 5 fingers, right? So 5, 2 plus 3 all together makes 5. So this is correct, right? But is this the only way we can get 5 as a result? No, this is not the only way. Let's see the other way now. What if I have this 5 dots and I put the line here? Instead of here, I put the line after just one dot. So what will come in the left box? 1, because there is just one line, one dot after the before the line. And what will come in this right box? 4, because there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots after the line on the right side of the line, right? So you can see 1 plus 4 all together makes 5. Let's quickly verify using our fingers. 1 and 4. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So 1 plus 4 also makes 5. Can you think of other ways also? Yes. What if I put the line, if I'm making this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What if I put the line here? Is this a new way? Yes. So what will come in my left box? 3. And what will come in my right box? 2. And what I'm going to get? 5. 3 plus 2 all together makes 5. This is also correct. And now if again in this 5 dots, I make the line instead of here, I make the line after the 4 dots. So what will I get? 4 in the right box, left box, plus 1 in the right box, and I'm going to get 5. So these are the different ways by which we can get the result as 5, right? But you need to think just of one way by which you can get the result 5. Okay? So now let's do some questions quickly on it. Let's use our mind and do it. Okay, now we will insert the missing numerals in this and we need to find out the two numbers that add and sum up to 8. Okay, so what we will do, students, we will first make 8 dots, right? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's make a line anywhere we want. So I have made a line here. Okay, so what will come in the left box, students? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will come in the left box. And what will come in the right box? 1, 2, 3. 3 will come in the right box. So 5 plus 3 all together makes 8. Is this correct? Yes. You can find the other ways also. This is for you. You can do it any way you want. You can put this line anywhere in between the dots you want and just write the number of dots that are before the line in the left box and the number of dots that are after the line in the right box, and you will get the desired numbers, right? There are other ways also. Let's quickly do this 4 also. Which two numbers will add up to 4? Let's make 4 dots. Let's put the line anywhere. Okay. I've put the line after 3 dots. So what will come in the left box? 3. What will come in the right box? 1. So you can say 3 and 1 all together make 4. I hope this is clear, students. I hope you have got to know how do we use the dot method to find the addition of two numbers. So now this is the end of our chapter. Let's quickly summarize whatever we learned in this chapter today. So whatever we learned, what did we learn, students? We first learned that addition is simply putting things or counting the things together, right? We also learned the finger and the dot method. So we used our fingers and we used dots to calculate the addition of single digit numbers. Then we also learned that we can do addition in two different ways. What are the ways? Horizontally and vertically. Horizontally means when we write from left to right, and vertically means when we write from top to bottom. But we always get the same result when we are vertically or horizontally adding the same numbers, right? So, and we also learn that that if we are writing 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, it is read as, it is said as 2 and 1 all together make 3. 2 and 1 all together make 3. And the most important that we learned was that adding any number to 0 will always gives the number itself. Like 2 plus 0 is equals to 2, 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, and etc. I hope you have learned all these pointers correctly. I hope this session was useful. I hope everything was clear in this session to you. And we will meet further for more examples and more questions on addition of numbers. Till that, thank you and keep learning.